Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you which app store to use on your TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. There is a pre-installed Microsoft store that you can use in order to download many different apps. So you can just open this app right here or click on the start button and search for the Microsoft store, as you can see here. And some of the apps, of course, are free, some of them are paid. There are a few games and stuff, so you can just find an app that suits you, like for example the Spotify, and you can easily click on get. And if you're signed in with your Microsoft account, then it will start downloading. But you can't install all of the apps with the Microsoft Store. So if you feel confident with it, you can just download apps from the browser by going to the browser. Then in the browser, just type in the name of the app. But before you do that, make sure that you're downloading an app that you trust. And after you search for that app, make sure you're selecting the official website from the maker of that app. So if any app seems sketchy, you haven't heard of it too much, then I wouldn't download it on your place. But there are quite a few apps that are surely great, like for example the Google Chrome. With Google Chrome, you can be sure that it's safe if you go to the official website, so you can just search for it. Although I don't have internet right now, so I'm gonna quickly make sure I'm connected and I'm gonna reload. Then as I go to the website, but I want the English version of it, make sure you're going to the official one. You can see it says google.com, so it is official. I think I didn't go to the correct one. Okay. Actually, not this one. Yes, and I am on the google.com website. It is important to be on the official one. Then you can just download it and it'll download an exe file, which you can later on open, give administrator privileges, and in the case of the Google Chrome, it just starts downloading and installing. But if you want to, for example, play games, then you can get Steam. And the Steam will be on the store.steampower.com website. This is the official one. And you can click on install Steam, then install Steam, and here the setup will be a bit different, and this is a very standard setup process. So you just need to click on next, select the language, click on next, you can change the destination folder or leave it as it is, click on install, it'll get installed, and you can click on finish. And this is the very basic installation mode for most of the apps. So these are the ways of getting apps. And from the Steam, for example, as I've shown you, but there are all other stores with games as well, you can get games within the Steam. And since Steam is really a trusted platform, you don't have to worry whether a game you're getting from the Steam is safe or not. So this is everything about getting the apps on your TOSHIBA Dynabook Tecra. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.